Hello. Okay, we're ready to DIY. And right now we're gonna make such an easy PUREfume. All right, I said PUREfume because we don't want to be using regular perfume or anything with fragrance. You know why? Because the ingredient list in fragrance is not disclosed. Companies can put anything they want in there. And one of the worst ingredients in there is phthalates. And that can cause a host of terrible diseases like cancer, respiratory problems, hormone problems, and so much more. And it can bioaccumulate in your body, so you might not feel it right away. Just believe me, we do not want any fragrance at home or around, or just avoid it at all costs. So that's why I love using essential oils that are pure just from plants. And that way you could smell good and still have fragrance, and a natural fragrance that is, that won't harm you and actually will benefit you. Whoops, my stuff here. So what I'm gonna make today, it's so easy, and I'm not good at, blending and making my own perfumes, but I just take the great blends that are already created from Young Living. That's the company that I use because I can trust their purity and also their ingredients or their distillation. The whole process of getting these oils from plants is so research-based and so technical that you get so many beneficial properties and therapeutic properties when you use them. So you'll smell good, you'll feel good, your body, your emotions, your spirit, your mind, everything. So this is what I got. I got these 10 milliliter atomizers, or like little spray bottles. And look at this one, it's even a heart. So this one I got, and you put the top on and it sprays. See, it's like a heart. That's one option. I got this from Life Science Publishing. It's called this, the website is discoverlsp.com. But I also saw something similar on Amazon, and it actually had like little sparkly hearts. So that would be perfect for Valentine's Day. You could also get like a glass pretty one like this, and this is from Amazon. It's spray, okay? So I'm gonna use this one today. This is, look at how fast. I'm picking a wonderful sweet blend called Joy. I'm gonna make my Joy. I've been wearing this a lot as perfume. And inside this has bergamot. It has ylang ylang, oh that's so sweet, geranium, lemon, coriander, tangerine, jasmine, and palmarosa and rose. So many great flowers. So this is already a ready-to-go perfume. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna do about 20 drops. So I'm gonna count. 10, 20. Okay, there we go. It's not exact, so it doesn't really matter if you go more or less, and you just try it out. And if you feel like it's not strong enough, you could always add more. Okay, now the only other ingredient you need is a little bit of witch hazel, because it helps emulsify it so that I'm gonna put distilled water in here so the water and the oil won't separate. It's still probably, I'm gonna use this, just a teaspoon. You make sure you get unscented witch hazel, because you don't want to add, you don't know what's in there, right? And you don't want to add other scents to ruin your good blend here. Now this is a little tricky because I don't know how, it's not see-through. Oh, there we go. Now I'm worried that, let's see, when you put this on, it's gonna squish out a little bit. So be careful when you add your distilled water, a tiny bit at a time. Okay, see, it's coming out. I'm just gonna sprinkle it. Okay, here we go. Shake it up a little bit. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I think 20 drops is good. So look at how fast that was. I talked way too much, sorry. But beautiful, cute, PUREfume. This is a great gift. I might give this to one of my daughters, or my daughter's teachers, or my mom, my friends at, yeah, my coworkers. So many people would love this. Now, I didn't say. Now, what if you wanted to give this to your husband or boyfriend? Well, maybe don't do pink, but you can get different types of sprays like this and pick oils that are more manly. My favorite is Shutran. This is a wonderful blend. I love when my husband wears this. It's already formulated great for a cologne. Another thing could be Northern Lights Black Spruce or Idaho Balsam Fir, Idaho Balsam, yeah, all those woodsy oils men like. So I would recommend this. I love just using the blends that are already made. We know they smell great. So there you go. Additional oils that might be good as a perfume and Sensation. Just Ylang Ylang, Valor, Stress Away. I like Believe. It's kind of sweet and woodsy. Peace and Calming. Oh, this one's a great one. Lady Sclareol. Okay, so I hope you enjoy that. I hope you make some perfume. Let me know how it goes.